Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good and safe. So, before in our GK class, the videos that I gave were from the old book. The chapters are same only, but the chapter number was not same. It was different, but topic was same. So, today I will start chapter 1 from the new book, from your new book. So, first let's see your book and all of you take out your book. So, this is your book and not the other one. So, from today onwards we are following this new GK book. So, let's start today's chapter, that is chapter number 1, Lakes of India. It is Lakes of India. So, all of you take out this page and write today's date in the above of the page and use only pencil. Before going to know what is there in the chapter, we have to know the meaning of lakes. What are lakes? I think you all know what is lakes. We all know that lakes is a type of water body. Yes or no? But if I ask you what is lake, then in a proper way you have to answer me that lakes are large areas of water surrounded by land. It is large area of water and it is bigger than pond. And it is surrounded by land. So, let's come to the chapters. Some clues are given about some lakes of India and we are asked to find those lakes names. We have to find out the lakes names by reading the clues. Those are given in your books. So, first you see, first clue is given there. Located in Orissa, that lake is made up of 52 streams. And do you know what is streams? Streams are narrow small river. It is narrow, small narrow rivers. It is the largest coastal lagoon of India and second largest in the world. It is second largest in the world and its name is, you see, Chilika Lake, Chilika, Chilika Lake, Lake. It is then you see the second one, second clues are given. Located in 3 districts of Kerala, the lake is known for the snake boat racing, backwater houseboating and bird watching and photography. And this name is Vembanad Lake, Vembanad, Vembanad Lake. So, you see third one, the saline lake in Ladakh has 60% of its area in China. Saline means where produce large number of salt. It is known as a famous camping site and it's popular for migratory bird. The lake changes its color throughout the day based on the position of the sun. It changes their color and it is Pangong Lake, Pangong, Pangong Lake, Lake. Now you see the fourth one. This is the largest inland salt lake of India, located in Rajasthan. It is in Rajasthan. Most of Rajasthan's salt production occurs here. Most of the salt is necessary for Rajasthan. Production from this lake. Now you see the lake's name is Sambar Lake. Sumbhar, Sambar Lake, Lake. Now you see the fifth one. This lake partially covers Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh and is created by a dam along river Narmada. It is famous now for the Statue of Unity located near it. The Statue of Unity is located near this lake, and the name of the lake is Sardar Sarovar Lake. Sardar Sardar Sarovar, Sarovar, Sardar Sarovar Lake. You always see the spelling of the name as because you have to write the name of the lakes. So properly you know it. Now you see the last one or sixth one. It is located in Telangana. The lake is created by the world's largest masonry dam. It was created as a project for green revolution in India and for hydroelectricity production. It is located in Telangana, and the name of the lake is Nagarjuna Sagar Lake. Nagarjuna, Nagarjuna Sagar, Sagar, Sagar Lake. This is Nagarjuna Sagar Lake. The picture is given. You have seen it. Now, I have already completed this chapter. I thought that you have understood this chapter, and I will give some question answer from this chapter from next class. Till then, you read the chapter in your book. You go through the chapter properly. Until then, take care and thank you.